I'm at IKEA. I was today years old when I found out that the reason IKEA's colors are blue and yellow is because of the Swedish flag, and they're a Swedish company. I did know they were a Swedish company, but the blue and yellow, today I learned that the yellow bag, I didn't even know there was yellow bags for one, but that the yellow bag is to carry things while you're shopping, and the blue bag is to carry things after you've paid for them. Has it been like that the whole time? I never have seen the yellow bags before, but there's so many. Crazy. I have only ever seen the blue bags. Well, so anyway, it's been a long time since I've been in IKEA. And I was tripping out over this. I was like, is this fake food? It's like plastic food. Oh man, not the celery, the tomatoes too. Hey, the 17th of May is coming up. Gratulerar med dagen, Norge. And the fire alarm went off. It was crazy. There's like a fire alarm or something. I don't know. We have to evacuate. When you're inside IKEA, it's easy to forget just how massive that place is. Because you come outside and you see all these people from the fire alarm. And then the fire truck pulls up. And I realized this is the first time I've ever seen a fire truck in Norway at all. I'm not exactly sure what happened. I don't know if somebody pulled the alarm or if it was actually a fire. But this pretty much ended my shopping because I had a meeting to go to. But it was still really cool to go to IKEA in Scandinavia. And I learned some fun facts.